I'm going to show you how to create a Sunburst chart like this from some data in a Power Pivot model. We'll start here and try to insert a pivot chart, and you'll see that there are a few issues here. This data is actually in the data model, which I'll just show to you in a moment. We're after the type. I'm going to pull off the year and the quantity and create a chart from that. Above the type. Now we'll try and change the chart type. And the Sunburst type just is not available. So we'll just use an alternative and go to pie chart and select a donut. And we'll just filter a little bit. Sorry about that, it's fallen off the side. There we have 3 years. And look, that's as far as we can go. So let's look at a better way of doing this. Now I'll show you how to insert Starburst, and then I'll have a look at the Power Query that creates this table. First, just insert a donut. Then right-click and change the type. And now we have a Starburst available. Now we'll look at the Power Query. This data is coming from that summary query. Have a quick look inside that one. It's just a series of mergers. You rename the filter, bit of a sort. You have the data that we're going to present. Now we'll look inside this work one, which is a copy of what's going on there. I'll show you how a merge happens. Just go merge query. And we're going to add product type. Merge it on that. Here, just pick the column that's required, and we're set. look at the summary table, you can't see it here, but there is a load option. And there we go, the load option is table, so it's loading the table onto the worksheet there. That's about it. There's your query. There's your Sunburst. Thanks for watching.